it like the coolest thing to see the sold sign in front of your house? She's coming along. The masonry's done. Oh man, I don't think I can get in today because they're paving. Lights are in, walls are painted. The construction worker just told me my neighbor is Aggie. That's gonna be a problem. They're coming to do floors next week. Countertops are in. Kind of wish I got the single deep sink, but this is fine. This will do. Look at my oh, we got plumbing? Okay. I picked this fixture out, you know, just saying. Cabinets in, my backsplash is in. No appliances yet. The driveway's wet. Oh, they're doing my mud room. That plumbing isn't in yet. What's this door for? Huh, it's going to master. I guess it's starting to look like what I remember in the model. We got some scuffs on the wall. They're gonna have to touch that up. Oh, it's coming together. I got one toilet. That looks much better than it did last week. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, this tile is actually in. I do have lights. I wanted to go with a tile that kind of looked like wood flooring because the entire first floor is hardwood. I hate these. I wish they didn't have to install these, but when it's done, I'm gonna come in and put my custom closets in here. This is a nice closet space. It's not a dream closet, but I'm gonna put a chandelier up there. All this lighting has to go. I hate the lighting, but I knew that I was gonna come in and change all of the lighting. I didn't bother putting extra money into those things. But I wanted my faucets to be nice. I love my countertops. This room, I don't know. I say I want this to be the guest room, but I'm gonna need this space for my film room.
These bedrooms are all wired and blocked for a fan too.
Okay.
You want to have a ceiling fan in here.
Nice.
You're all ready to go.
Still haven't figured out what I'm gonna do with this space yet. My recessed lighting in.
I got one in the garage. Everybody makes fun of me that.
She's coming together. She is coming together. So I'm doing one of my usual pop-ups at my soon-to-be home. We're closing in, I think like 2 weeks, but I see some trucks in the driveway. What's going on? But let's see. Don't know what's going on, but something is. Hello? Walked in on the blind installation. Oh, we got a tree back there. It's coming along. I'm not in love with these floors. I want to have them done over. I can't wait to get in here and do some work. Oh, there are 2 rows. I want to take all of this down though. This is going to be my office workspace. It's a pretty big room, but it's enough space for me to film in here and set up a little office. So, oh, my washer and dryer is here. Definitely want to change these too. It's starting to look like not a home, but a house. Okay, we don't have any lights in this bathroom. Oh, there they are, they're not installed. Media room. Oh, no lights in here either. Okay, linen closet. What's going to be the actual guest bedroom. It's a little bit smaller, but you know, I don't want my guests to be so comfortable that they don't want to leave. So, you know. So guess what? It's closing day. I'm sitting outside the place that I'm gonna do my closing. Hopefully everything goes smoothly, quickly, so that I can go to my house tonight. I'm probably not staying there, but you know, the excitement of getting in my new house. I had a final walkthrough. I didn't film because we just kind of went through that really quickly. It's exciting. This has been a interesting year for me in that knowing that you know, I'm not competing the way I would normally be competing at this point. I'm not 100% healthy. I'm working on that, but you know, blessings upon blessings upon blessings. My projects have been doing great. This is my second home purchase, so you know, God is good. I come from a divorced family, and I watched my mom go through the process of buying her own first home. I bought my first home, and now this is my second home. Like, I have a lot to be grateful for. I also got engaged. You should know that by now. It's just amazing. I could be down about a lot of things, but I'm up. I'm grateful for a ton of things. So, you know, God is good. That's all I can say, because I'm blessed. So I'm gonna go in here, sign these papers, hopefully get my keys today. I got some champagne. I told my friends to come over. Let's pop some champagne. Yeah, so here we go.